turn everyday organic waste into something valuable. Food scraps can be transformed into biogas for cooking or heating, plus liquid fertilizer for gardens and farms. Using anaerobic digestion, this system creates renewable energy at home while supporting a more sustainable lifestyle. Collecting rainwater can cover about 32% of a house's water needs. With rain and a modest roof, huge amounts of water can be captured and filtered. This self-cleaning system uses only gravity. PowerSpout by Eco Innovation turns flowing water into renewable power with hydro turbines. Options include Pelton, Turgo, and low-head propeller models, each one for maximum output. Made in New Zealand, these systems support both off-grid and grid-connected energy setups. Turn workouts into electricity with an innovative exercise bike that stores your energy in a detachable battery. It powers phones, tablets, and laptops. Built with durable, partly recycled materials, it blends fitness, technology, and sustainable design. Even in an age of Mars missions and AI, one lightning strike can plunge millions into darkness. That is why engineers created advanced blackout solutions, systems that convert battery power, safely charge batteries from solar panels, and store energy with lithium-ion or lead-acid technology. Stay connected even during blackouts with satellite communication that keeps working when networks fail. Built-in battery supports up to 6 hours of talk time, while Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connect up to 4 users. Across Europe, high heating costs keep many houses under pressure. Smarter heating options can help cut fuel use and improve efficiency. Advanced gasification boilers and pellet systems are built for steady warmth and lower wood consumption, offering a practical response to rising energy challenges today. Powered by solar heat, this cooling system delivers reliable refrigeration through an adsorption process using water and low pressure. It works off-grid, needs no hazardous refrigerants or batteries, lowers carbon emissions, and offers a safe solution for remote areas with unstable power. Built for more than industry, this diesel tank also helps homeowners and emergency backup sites stay ready. Available in multiple sizes, it fits small, medium, and larger fuel supply needs.